Praise be to my God and Savior Jesus. Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to see three small methods. The first is Let's Scan window. As you have seen before, so whenever I'm jumping, I'm checking whether my character is within the Let's Scan window so that I can start scanning from the chest level to find my first ledge. Excuse me, sorry. Okay, so the check is very simple. So whenever I start jumping, I set up the start velocity. Okay, I apply a certain y velocity to the character so that he goes up. Okay, so that is the start velocity. So now every moment I'm just checking whether the controller's velocity has come down to less than 95% of the velocity. So that is what we are checking here. So the threshold that I have given before, let me show you, which is 95%. You see 95% is used here. So once the character has lost 5% of its initial velocity and he is jumping, so we are saying, okay, the Let's Scan window starts right now. Okay, so that is when the Let's Scan starts and we start doing Let's Scan. Excuse me, sorry. Got a bit of cold here. Okay. So handle normal movement is used to handle the character's movement on the floor and on the plateau. So when he is in normal mode, so we'll not go through it. So I'll let you guys do it, and I think there are better ways to do it. Okay, so this is just a very let's say primitive, preliminary, or very simple way to do it. So there are better ways to do it. So we'll let you guys go through it. Okay, and then trigger ledge mode. Just three things. We set a flag for ledge mode equal to true, and we set jumping equal to false so that nothing interferes. None of the jumping related logic interferes with this. And I disable the character controller. Okay, and when I'm in normal mode, I do the exact opposite. Okay, so I set ledge mode is equal to false. Okay, and jumping equal to false, and I enable the controller again. So that is what happens here. Okay, so in the next video we will look at the animate method and the IK happening. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, guys. See you in the next video.